Hi. So UTIs, urinary tract infections, are more frequent in women 35, 40s and above. UTIs tends to occur multiple times in these women to the extent that even after treatment, you still experience it again. This is because once you are in your 30, 35 and above, you begin to enter perimenopause and your hormones are not stable during this phase of life. You might also have trouble emptying your bladders, which can increase the chances of these infections. So if you're a woman 35, 40s and above and you've been experiencing this recurring UTIs, then you will be needing the Menofix supplement. The Menofix supplement will help you manage this recurring UTI. So after your treatments, it will not have to occur multiple times again. So kindly click the link below or send us a DM to get the Menofix supplement today.